I wanted Micromold to be an emotionally and financially rewarding place to work. I could see that I had sort of plateaued in my ability to get us there. Specifically, the things we brought Skip in to help us with was to change the culture. I've worked with consultants who've come in with, here's my winning game plan, and if it doesn't quite suit your business, then it might actually work. Skip does not come in with a set game plan in terms of how he's going to solve the problems that we're putting to him. He really listened a lot to the hopes and expectations of the people that work here. I think the first thing Skip really did was gain the trust of the people here. Skip had each of us talk about some of the challenging things that we might have faced in our personal lives outside of work to help recognize each one of us as human beings. I think the main difference that I experience now versus about a year ago is there's just a lot less tension. We as a team have changed in that we're focusing on the work that we have to do, the problems that we're trying to solve for our customers, and less focused on ourselves. Every day we hear indications of the fact that it's more enjoyable and people are happier. I'm just really proud of how much people committed to it, and I think that's a tribute to Skip and the trust that he gained from all of us. About a year ago, there were a lot of elephants in the room, these preconceived notions we had about each other, and through all the work we've done with Skip, I feel like those elephants have left the room and we're able to just focus on the work at hand.